Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Excelsior High are quietly optimistic about their chances at the upcoming ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships set for March 19 to 23 at the National Stadium. The Eagles take the spotlight in our Champs preview this evening.
Excelsior High boasts the distinction of being one of only 2 schools to win both the boys and girls titles at the ISSA Boys and Girls Championships, San Diego being the other. But while winning the overall boys and girls titles might not be at the forefront of their minds for 2024, the school from Mountain View Avenue are still setting their ambitions high. Their showing at the Corporate Area Development Meet in February might well be an indication of what to expect from them at Champs this year. They won the girls' title for an 8th straight year, amassing 360 points to hold off Woolmer's girls, while the boys' team ended 4th with 195 points. But interestingly, head coach David Riley says he's not reading too much into those results.
Our approach is different for the girls team and the boys team for corporate. Corporate is a championship that we can win on the girls side, so we really push for the corporate. And in many cases, we put athletes in events for the purpose of the benefit of the team and not necessarily the benefit of the athlete in an extent. I mean, we really push to win corporate on the girls side. We don't do the same on the boys side.
He says for Champs, the strategy will be different.
We're very careful in what we do, and we don't necessarily double our athletes because it's pointless racing against the other teams who have far larger sizes than us, and we just do what we can and learn whatever lessons we can. But it's a different strategy, and we've been using the same strategy for years, and it has done well for us. I mean, we're very competitive at Boys and Girls Champs when we focus the efforts of the athletes in the specific events that we've been preparing them for, and we'll just do the same in 2024.
And as for the quality of his teams, Riley says they will be well prepared for the 5-day championships.
Well, we are a team that has great competence in the technical areas. We do a lot of jumps, and we're great with relays, and we're a big team, so we can field relay teams. So we're really into technical events. We do one of few teams that do pole vault on the boys' side, and we're in all the throwing events. So that's where our focus is. We have the coaching competence to do those, and we're fine with our preparation so far.
Excelsior will be looking to better their 8th place finish on both the girls and boys' side from last year's champs. The girls had amassed 74.5 points and the boys 47 points. Live and exclusive coverage of the ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships can be seen on TVJ, TVJ's Sports Network, and OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.